All right, well, that's a day when the markets go home in the green. The Nifty trades with a gain of close to around 150 points, and we end above that 26,180 odd mark. The one that powered its way back today was the Nifty Bank. The good point this week was both the Nifty and the Nifty Bank, they showed some fight when that 20 DMA was in doubt, and that's the reason why we go home with gains in otherwise a bit of a wobbly week. Shriram Finance stock was up close to around 3%, so good move is what we saw in today's trading session. SBI stood out 2.5% higher out there, and Bajaj Finserv as well up close to 2%. From the auto names, Maruti Suzuki, well, that one was up and about. HUL stock appears it was down close to 5%, but business ice cream business moved out, and that's why there was an adjustment on that front. So, adjusted for that, I think the stock was down only around 2% or thereabouts. Eternal was down about 1.5%. And Interglobe Aviation, shareholders not happy, customers not happy. Hopefully, things do get resolved. The biggest casualty on the downside for today's trading session was, Keynes, those doubts coming into play with regard to their cash flows, the receivable days, and the inorganic growth, things not summing up. That was the big casualty today. Finiotex Chemicals, inorganic growth is what they've done. The street liked what they saw. The stock went home with gains of around 6%. And Grow, wobbling away in today's trading session, but that stock as well ended with a gain of close to around 4%. Add to the list, another stock that did pretty well, CMAC. There was positive news flow, volumes quite high on that particular name as well. So we go home on Friday with some green.
Well, it's a wrap, Nigel, on this edition of Closing Bell. From all of us here, goodbye. Thanks for staying with us, but we'll see you shortly after a quick break on the Editors Roundtable in just a bit.